In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record donations in QuickBooks Online. If your organization receives a donation and the money is given to you right away, this is usually the simplest way to enter it. This method works well for payments like cash, checks, or a direct bank transfer because you've already received the funds and just need to record them properly in QuickBooks Online. To get started, go to the Plus New button, sometimes shown as Plus Create depending on your QuickBooks layout, and choose Sales Receipt. A sales receipt is the right form to use when payment is received at the same time the transaction is being re-added. That's what makes it different from an invoice, which is typically used when payment will come later. Once the sales receipt opens, go to the Customer drop-down and select the donor. If the donor is not already in your customer list, you can choose Add New and create a profile for them right from this screen. Even if you think of them as a donor rather than a customer, QuickBooks uses the customer list to organize this kind of contact, so that's completely normal. Next, enter the date of the sales receipt. Be sure to use the actual date the donation was received, since this affects your records and reporting. Accurate dates are especially important if you need clean financial statements or donation tracking for a specific month or year. After that, move to the Product or Service field and select the item you use for donations, such as donation or charitable contributions. If you don't already have an item set up for this, create one as a non-inventory item and link it to the appropriate revenue or non-profit income account. This helps make sure the donation is classified correctly in your books and appears properly on your reports. Then enter the amount of the donation and choose the payment method. Selecting the payment method can help you keep your records more organized, especially when you want to track whether funds came in by check, cash, or transfer. In the Deposit to drop-down, choose the bank account where the money is going. This step matters because it tells QuickBooks where to place the funds. Make sure you select the correct account so your bank activity and accounting records stay aligned. Once everything looks correct, select Save and Close. That's it. The donation is now recorded in QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to quickly review the completed sales receipt before saving, just to confirm the donor, amount, date, and account selection are all accurate. A few extra seconds here can save you cleanup work later.